This is the brief on buying an AI laptop in 2026. Buying a laptop right now based on old-school specs is just a recipe for instant obsolescence. Seriously, why are companies wasting millions on brand-new hardware fleets that are basically guaranteed to be paperweights in the era of agentic AI? Well, let's break it down. First, you absolutely need an NPU, or Neural Processing Unit. It's this specialized, super low-power accelerator built just for AI math. People think you need a massive, battery-draining gaming GPU for AI, but no way. An NPU lets you run localized AI efficiently right on the go. Second, you've got to understand the metrics to avoid the whole marketing sticker scam. The absolute minimum entry fee for the 2026 Copilot Plus ecosystem is 40 TOPS. That's trillions of operations per second. Anything less? Your local AI features get kicked to the cloud, which completely wrecks your privacy and adds awful lag. But watch out, because manufacturers love hyping up peak TOPS, a speed that throttles in seconds under heat. For real work, you must demand sustained TOPS. Finally, we have to fix the data bottleneck. A lightning-fast NPU literally means nothing without unified memory. You need a baseline of at least 16 gigs of fast RAM, like LPDDR5X. I mean, a sports car processor cannot outrun a slow data highway. Unified memory lets your chips share the exact same data pool, totally eliminating the massive delay of copying files back and forth. Ultimately, the future of work is local-first AI, keeping your files private and dodging those expensive cloud subscriptions. To survive this local AI revolution, ignore the flashy marketing stickers and demand at least 40 sustained TOPS, paired with high-bandwidth unified memory.